Welcome back to telecommunicationresellers.com. Now we're at the portion of this installation here where we're going to go into the back end of our Joomla administrative panel and we're going to create the banners. So what we want to do is we want to go over here to banners. And I like to start off by creating a client. So we'll just do everything new. So we got a new client and we'll make this client name, we'll call it header. And admin and telecommunication, and we'll save and close. Then we'll go make a category, and we'll do a new one. And we'll just call this web page. And we'll save. Now our next step, we're going to create our banners. And we'll just name them 1, 2, 3, just like we did. Just like we have them in our folder. So our first one will be header 1. And the category is going to be under web page header. And then we have to come over here to the client. And we're going to take header. Now this question is sticky. That means that do we not want it to rotate or do we want it to rotate? If we say yes for sticky, it will not rotate. It'll just stay in the same location. We can track our impressions just to give us an idea on how many times it rotated. And then we'll go say, oh, we have to upload the image. So we'll go to custom. No, we'll go image. Go to select. We'll browse around for those images. Once we find the folder, we'll be good to go. So I think I put it in here, telecommunications folder. Here it is right here, test header rotation. So we'll get header 1. We'll start the upload. There it is right there. Then we'll insert it. And we'll save and close. Then we'll do another one. Then we'll do header 2. And we'll do the same thing. We'll go to client as test. No, the client is header. We'll select the image. Browse. We should go back to that same folder. Start our upload. Then we'll do header 2, insert, and we'll do another save and close. Maybe we could do a save new, that might be better. And then we'll do a header 3, and we'll go and get our image. Browse. There it is. Start upload. Header 3, insert. Set our category. Set our client. Save. And we're good. So we have our 3 headers. Now, all we have to do is go create a module. We'll do a new one. Do a banner module. And we'll just call this web site headers. We'll hide that. We'll go to select the position, and the position of that module, if you remember, was position number 21. So we'll just take this 12 and swap it around. Now the client, of course, is header and web page header. And what this count does is it allows you to put up to 10 headers in there that can rotate between each other. So if I only put one in there, it's only going to rotate one. It's not going to rotate at all. It's only going to display one. So since we have 3, we'll put 3 in there. Now this is where you can decide whatever page you want your banners to be on. Only on the selected page. So I just want them on my home page. If that was an article page, I could have a different header banner. If it was like something I was selling, it could be a different header banner. And this is where I think the flexibility comes in. You can put any type of header you want, anywhere you want. Save and close. Let's go out to our site and see what we have. I'm gonna log in. Oh, I misspoke. I think you only should have one there, and then it'll rotate. So let's go back and fix that. Let's go back into the website header. We'll go to 1 now. So we'll just have 1 that'll rotate. That's what it is. If we put 3, we can put 3 in a row or 5 in a row or underneath each other. That's what they meant. Let's take a look at the site. Refresh our page. And we should have 1 at the top. What I forgot to do was remove this one. Let me show you how to do that while I have you here. Go into your template manager. You go into your template manager and you find your template and you just clear this section of code out right here. Just whack that out of there. Hit save and close. Here's our page. We'll do a refresh. And it's still under there. I forgot to remove the banner underneath the logo, but you guys get the point of this. And I can show you how to remove that. I'll do that in another video, how to remove the logo from the back end. But let's see if our banner is actually going to rotate. That's what we want to see. Not. We're back. I decided to go ahead and remove that back header that was in our way and resolve our issue. And the problem is when you create the module, let me show you what I'm talking about. When you create this module on our website heading, this randomize has to be sticky randomized so it'll rotate for you. And that's pretty much it on this creating that header. Well, hopefully this was helpful for you. And like I said, what I really like about this is on any page that I create, I can have any type of banner that I want. I think that's great. Join me for more videos at telecommunicationresellers.com. Hopefully I was able to help you out. If I was, just leave a comment at the site in the forum, and I'll be creating more videos like this in the future. Thank you very much for your time. Have a good day.